In this video, we're gonna dive into the story of Lena going to the chemist. Lastly, I'll teach you the words in yellow. Lena was feeling a bit under the weather. She had a slight cough and a runny nose. So her mother suggested that she visit the chemist's to get some medicine. "Don't worry, Lena," her mother said. "Just go and ask the chemist for something to help with your cold." Lena nodded, grabbed her coat and made her way to the local chemist's. As she entered, the familiar smell of medicine and the sight of neatly arranged shelves greeted her. She approached the counter where the chemist stood. "Hi, how can I help you today?" the chemist asked with a warm smile. "Hello," Lena replied. "I've had a cold for a few days, and I was hoping you could recommend something for my cough and runny nose." The chemist nodded thoughtfully. "Let me see," he said, scanning the shelves behind him. "For your symptoms, I suggest a decongestant for your runny nose and cough syrup for the cough. Have you had any allergies to medication before?" "No, I haven't," Lena answered. "Great! I'll give you a mild syrup that should help. Also, make sure to drink plenty of fluids and rest." Lena watched as the chemist placed 2 boxes on the counter. "Take the cough syrup every 6 hours and the decongestant twice a day after meals." "Thank you so much," Lena said, feeling relieved. "You're welcome. If your symptoms don't improve in a few days, I recommend seeing a doctor." Lena paid for the medicine, thanked the chemist again, and left the store. On her way home, she thought about how simple the visit had been. It felt good to know that there was always help available when she needed it. Under the weather, feeling slightly sick or unwell. Cough, a sudden forceful release of air from the lungs to clear the throat or lungs. Runny nose, a condition where liquid mucus flows from the nose, often due to a cold or allergies. Chemist, another word for pharmacist, someone who prepares and sells medicines. Nod, a quick movement of the head up and down, often used to show agreement or understanding. Symptom, a physical or mental sign that indicates an illness or condition. Decongestant, medicine that helps relieve a blocked or stuffy nose. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.